Have you ever tried to separate corn kernels and the kernels broke, water splashed everywhere, hurt your hands, and took a lot of time? Corn is a food ingredient that many people love. It is not only nutritious, but can also be processed into many different dishes. Even when eaten directly, corn still tastes very delicious. Corn can be used to make sweet corn soup, corn rib soup, corn dessert. However, when it comes to separating corn kernels, everyone finds it difficult. Especially when encountering young corn, the separation becomes even more complicated. Today, I will guide you through a little trick to separate corn kernels. With just a pair of scissors, you can easily take out each corn kernel while keeping its original shape, without crushing it. I believe that most people have to use their hands to press each kernel out when they want to separate corn kernels. One kernel at a time. Look, no matter how careful you are, the kernels are still scratched. Especially young corn, the water splashes everywhere, it is very difficult to separate. Even peeling just one side can take more than 30 minutes. It is really time-consuming. In addition, if you use your fingernails to separate for a long time, your hands will be sore. Have you ever encountered this situation? Some people, to save time, will use a knife to cut the corn in half and separate each row. This method is really fast, but pay attention, the corn kernels are almost crushed, not intact. In addition, the corn germ is still on the cob. Look at the water on the corn cob, the nutrients are being wasted. What a pity! Now, I will share with you a little tip of mine. First, use your hands to break the corn in half without leaving a cut. Then, take the scissors and insert them into the white center of the corn cob. Turn gently and move the scissors towards the other end. Turn left, then right. Gradually, you will see the corn cob begin to crack. At this point, we can easily separate it. In this way, the corn kernels are removed naturally without being crushed. Now, separating corn has become simpler and faster than ever. It only takes about 1 to 2 minutes to complete. This method is both fast and simple, without hurting your hands. So, we have gone through 3 ways to separate corn kernels. The first method takes a long time, the corn kernels are no longer intact, wasting time and effort. The second method is faster, but causes the kernels to be crushed, although saving time, but losing nutrients. The third method is both fast and keeps the corn kernels intact, saving more time than the previous 2 methods. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you find the video useful, please like and share it with your friends. Thank you everyone for your support. See you again.